Welcome to my 2024 vlog. Yes. And as you can see, kumakain tayo ng sandwich from Subway. And after that, syempre, kailangan nag-gym tayo. Yan, para always fit. Ito yung mga panahon na jowaers ko pa itong asawa ko. 2024. And as you can see, we have a little pet here. Ito nga pala si Pepper, our baby pug. But, ang ano naman niya is, she's blind. But she's very sweet and very makulit. And as you can see, oh, chuku, 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 chuku. Diba? Ang cute-cute niya. And napakabait pa. And next, tapos, pumunta kami sa SM. And after that, syempre, nagpasalon si ate. And while waiting, pinamassage-massage tayo. And then, ayan na, ako na daw ang next. Okay, nagpa-treatment pala ako niyan. And nagpa-haircut sa David Salon. And sobrang lamig ng water. Ang relaxing ng part na yan. I love it. And charan! O diba, trim-trim lang naman yung pinagawa ko sa haircut ko. But I love it. Yun lang.